वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
विश्वतोमुखम्
विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
युवन्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
ओङ्
ऐऔज्
ऐऔज्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणनं
ञमङणनं
शबै
शबै
गडधश्
गडदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचठथ चटतौ
खपचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
चुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
तुलसानां दन्ताः
तुलसानां दन्ताः
पद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
पद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणननां नासिका च
ञमङणननां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः
कण्ठ
ओष्टम्
कारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
मकारस्य
दन्त
ओष्टम्
वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
ओ राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
एणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
Ramaji, you can read this Subhashita.
दूरस्थाः पर्वतारम्याः वेश्या च मुखमण्डने युद्धस्य तु कथारम्या त्रीणि रम्याणि दूरतः
Sandhi Vicheda.
दूरस्थाः पर्वताः रम्याः. Here first one is Upadmaniya. दूरस्थाः पर्वताः. Then पर्वताः रम्याः. Their visarga stays there.
The Visarga?
Visarga, I don't know what, if it is akara, then it should be lopaha. No, it's not lopaha.
Yeah,
Yeah, but it's not. It is there.
it's okay. It can be there.
Okay.
I mean, the Sandhi between the Padam
Oh,
is not Nitya.
okay.
But you can say Sandhi. If Sandhi happens, what will happen?
Then it is Parvata Ramyaha.
Parvata Katam.
Visarga becomes Yakara and then Yakara Lopaha bhavati.
Yakarasya Lopa Bhavati. Avashyam Bhavati va? Does it go?
It is optional, Sharanji. Sorry.
Is it optional or it is mandatory? Anybody?
First letter replaced by Yakara only. It is not.
No, sir. That is Yakara. In the place of Repa, Yakara comes. Then Yakara Lopa,
Yeah.
is it mandatory or optional?
It is not optional.
Mandatory.
Sorry?
Mandatory.
Mandatory?
Mandatory.
Okay. When it is optional then? Yakara Lopaha.
When it's between two padams, so it's
When it is-
optional whether to Sandhi will come or not. Have Sandhi.
So between two Padam, is it I mean,
Like here, Parvataha Ramyaha.
okay. Is it mandatory here that Yakara must go?
Used to do Sandhi, then it's fine.
Hmm?
Yeah.
I didn't get you. What?
If sandhi happens, then it's mandatory.
Okay. Then please take your sandhi chart if you have. Samhitaikapade nitya nitya dhatu upasargayoho nitya samase vakye tu sa vivaksham apekshate. Anyway, this sandhi between the two padam, that for that only I am showing this. Between the sandhi between two padam is always that you can do. Vivaksham apekshate. Sandhi is vivaksham apekshate. Pattuku vivaksham apekshate. It depends on the vivaksha of the speaker. Okay. Whereas between a upasarga, dhatu and upasarga, within a padam or samasa, it's a must. That is what this shloka says. So now, parvataha ramyaha. Parvataha is padam. Ramyaha padam. So sandhi between them is it optional or mandatory?
Optional.
Optional. Vivaksham apekshate.
Viviksha.
Now in the Subhashita, what you saw, it is sandhi as. I didn't do sandhi. I just give the padam, vyasta padam, individual padam, right? Now, if you do sandhi, the question is, if you do sandhi, what will happen? Parvataha ramyaha. Parvata, the visarga, preceded by a, followed by hash, replaced by yakara. What is the rule? Tell me the rule number, please.
Yakara must be dropped.
Must be dropped. Why must be? So when it is optional, if it is must be. Okay.
Says yakara becomes lopaha. That's all it says. It doesn't
No.
say it's optional.
Please take the Chandi chart. Tell me, can tell me the rule number. Where this rule comes, Ekara is dropped. You have the Sandhi chart with you.
Yeah,
I do. Yeah.
Can you tell me the number?
24. 24.
When hush come, it is a must, and
Very
it
good.
is optional only. That is yakara lopaha is optional.
When?
Hush comes means it is a must.
Ekara lopa optional when?
Optional when it is followed by ach letter.
Very good. That's what the answer is. When ach follows, Ekara lopa is optional. When hush follows, then it is mandatory. It is a must. What is the number? Rule number here? It is 26.
24.
Okay. Just you know this. Anyway, just quick recap. Let's recall what we saw. You can see Visarga, that is room. Okay. Visarga preceded by a, followed by a, replaced by u, guna, and then purvarupa sandhi. This we know, 21. And 22 says Visarga preceded by a and followed by hush. Visarga replaced by u and then guna. This we know. Now, Visarga preceded by a and followed by h, other than a, what will happen? Visarga will be replaced by yakara, that is number 1, a, and yakara is dropped, no for sandhi will happen. This is a, b means it is optional. A is one and b is another one, right? It is, why it is a, b? If it is one rule, I need not write a and b. So therefore is replaced by yakara, and yakara, maybe here I can write yakara dropped, which is dropping of yakara is optional. If you can write like that, it makes sense. Dropping of yakara is optional. Is it okay? No, it's a, make clear. Dropping of yakara is optional. Or let me write yakara dropped. Let me write here itself. This is optional. Yakara dropped and no further sandhi will happen. So B is optional. A and B. So two forms are possible. That is why Ramai plus Agachati, Ramaya Agachati, and Rama plus Agachati. Two forms we are getting. Now similarly, Visarga preceded by A. Visarga preceded by A and Just a minute. This also I can. Visarga preceded by a and followed by ash. Followed by ash. That is ach plus hash. Okay. So in this case, what happens? Replaced by yakara. That is option. That is first option. Optionally, yakara is dropped. And then no sandhi, further sandhi. Optional yakara. Those two forms are there. A is one form, B is another form. So this, we have to see, Parvataha Ramya, does it fit here? Does it fit here? Yes. So therefore, Visarga preceded by A and followed by Ash, which is Ach plus Hash. So it fits, that fits here. So therefore, replaced by Yakara, that is one, and Yakara dropping is optional. So you get Balaka Agachanti in this example, you can see. By option A, you get Balakai Agachanti. By option B, you get Balaka Agachanti. Yakara is dropped and no further sandhi. Right? Now, the question is, Visarga preceded by A, fine. Followed by Ach and Ash, two things are there. One is vowel, other one is soft consonants. So when followed by vowel, then dropping of Yakara is a must. The dropping of Yakara is optional, not must. When followed by Ach, the dropping of Yakara is optional. That is why in the example here, what again you see, what the following letter is on vowel. So when a vowel follows, the dropping of Yakara is optional. What happens when if it is a consonant? Hash is soft consonant. So therefore, we say this is C. Maybe it is not there in your Sandhi chart. It is updated after that. Padanta Yakara or Vakara is dropped. Padanta Yakara or Vakara is dropped. And the condition is preceded by A or A. Okay, that is understood. Maybe I will type that also. Padanta Yakara Vakara is dropped when followed by Hal. Hal means consonants. Hash, soft consonant, it's a subset of Hal. Therefore, if Ach follows, the dropping of Yakara Vakara is optional. When Hal follows, that is when Hash follows, it is a must. Therefore, Yakara dropping is a must. Okay. In the Sandhi chart, if you have taken the printout, you can add this. But we talked about this, though it is not included in the rule. You remember we said this, Yakara Vakara drops when a consonant follows. What Yakara? Padanta Yakara Vakara. Preceded by. When preceded by, that condition is holds good because that is what we are talking about, preceded by, because it comes under the same category, A, B, C. What is the 24? This is the main category. You can see here. Preceded by A, that is, that comes for all the option. Preceded by A, followed by Hash, replaced by Yakara. Similarly, preceded by A, followed by Hash, Yakara dropping, and no further sandhi. Then preceded by A and followed by Ash, this then becomes Padanta Yakara Vakara. If it is Padanta Yakara Vakara. Maybe I can type the condition again here so that confusion will not be there. Padanta Yakara Vakara is dropped when preceded by the vowel A or A. So A is also included. That is one more. A is also included. Preceded by A or A and followed by Hal. This is not a new Sandhi rule. We have seen this. Do you remember? We have seen this before?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes. So if it is a consonant, it is dropping of Yakara is a must. If you are doing Sandhi, okay. Parvataha Ramyaha, if you leave it as it is, Yastapadam, then it's not a problem. But if you are doing Sandhi, then Parvatai Ramyaha, we don't say. Yakara must be dropped. Parvata Ramyaha. So this you can note, that is C. It was not there in the chart before. I've added. I will update in the Google Drive link. Maybe you can download from that, but you can make a note. Is it clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, here the rule is hush only. Hush is soft consonant. But we say hal. Hal means includes all the consonants. Any consonant. The condition is it is yakara vakara. Yakara vakara need not be born only of repa replaced by yakara. It can be ayava ayava sandhi also, right? Yakara vakara can be or would have been born because of ayadi sandhi. In ayadi sandhi, I, av is there. Suppose if it is followed by, you cannot follow because the condition is, what is the condition for ayadi sandhi? When H is followed by H, so there it doesn't apply. But I'm just saying the possibility of yakara vakara preceded, being the padanta preceded by a or a. That possibility is there in ayadi sandhi. Similarly, there may be in other places. In fact, it is there. If you remember, ayadi sandhi doesn't apply. That is the adesha of ayadi sandhi, I, av. Whereas we have seen one more thing in ayadi sandhi. You remember one more where that vakara is born. Can anyone say what is that rule? We have seen that in ayadi sandhi. Please see the sandhi chart. In ayadi sandhi, we have seen some more rules that we have added later.
For O and
Yeah, very
How?
good. Please
O
tell.
and
Yes, please read
How,
that.
followed
Yes.
by
Followed by
pratyaya starting in yakara.
O and Au will be replaced by Av and Av. When?
respectively, and followed by yakara adi pratyayas.
Followed by Yakara Ipatya. Very good. Vanto Agi Pratyaya. You can see that sutra. What's the number? You can tell me the number in the chart.
Number 6, Sharji.
6. Okay. This is the one. Avadi Sandhi, we said, we named it.
Yeah.
O and Av will be replaced by Av and Av when followed by Yakara Adi Pratyayas. Here you can see followed by consonant. Therefore, this is an example. This is an example where it could be Vakara or Yakara preceded by A and followed by the consonant. Okay, so in this, the Adesha is the Au and Au. That Vakara is dropped. It's a must. Sorry, it's not a must here because it's not Padanta. It's not Padanta Vakara Yakara. Therefore, it doesn't drop here. Suppose if it is Padam, I'm saying, in case it is a Padam, then dropping of Vakara Yakara is a must. Here it doesn't drop because it is not a Padam, because Yam is a Pratyaya. Okay. In place where it is a Padam, in that case it applies. So you can see this, the places where they could be Yakara, Vakara, where you can see is one is Ayadi Sandhi, other one is Avadi Sandhi, where these conditions are fulfilled, preceded by A or Va, and Yakara and Vakara, which are there, when followed by. And similarly, this Repa replaced by Yakara, that is another condition. In 3 places you see this, Yakara, Vakara, Adesha. So when preceded by A or A and followed by H, the dropping of Yakara, Vakara is optional. Whereas if it is Hal, then it is a must. Okay. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway, the point here is Padanta Yakara Vakara preceded by A or A and followed by Hal. Any consonant will be dropped. In our case, it is Hush, soft consonant, which is a subset of Hal. Therefore, it is dropped. So this is number C. You can note this. Okay. Now going back to the Subhashitam. See, you need to bring in all the possibility, the connection you need to bring in. That is why that's Ayadi Sandhi I connected and Avadi Sandhi also. So in all these places, Yakara Vakara is brought, it comes. So there these rules are applicable. Just see the applicability of the rules where it is possible. So when Yakara Vakara is there, then all these the rules should come to our mind. Okay, continue, Ramaji now.
Yeah. Then Veshyacha Mukhamandane. Here,
Okay, yeah, it's correct only. Veshyacha, yes.
Very-
I think Shakara is missing. Veshyascha. Okay. Veshyaha. Then
Veshyacha,
cha.
yeah. So Mukhamandane is Saptami. Yuddhasya tu Katharamya. Yuddhasya tu Katharamya is a Samstapadam, Sharanji.
It's just it's a typo. I mean, it's not type. Anyway, you can separate the Vestapadam. No sandhi possible there. Kata and Ramya.
Katha, okay. Then Trini Ramyani Durataha. No sandhi there.
So, simple Subhashitam.
Yes.
Durastaha Parvataha Ramyaha. Santi. You can supply Santi. Kriyapadam we can supply. In fact, Ramyaha itself is sufficient. But if required, we can supply. Parvataha. Okay. Santi. Ke Santi.
Parvataha Santi.
Parvataha Santi. Katam Santi. Katam Bhutaha Parvataha.
Ramyaha Parvataha Santi.
Durastaha.
Sorry, Durastaha.
Durastaha. Durastaha means Dure Tishtati. Dure Tishtati. Dure Tishtanti. Iti Durastaha. Durastaha is an adjective. Visheshana to Parvata. So Parvataha is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Durastaha also Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. So Durastaha Parvataha Santi. Parvatas, mountains are far. Ramyaha means it looks beautiful. So the mountains which are far are beautiful. Duratta Pache Kannakuchi, that's the same thing. Right? Durastaha Parvataha Ramyaha. Similarly, Veshyascha Mukhamandane. Veshyascha, okay, that Veshyascha, Shakara, Veshyaha plus cha. That missing, please note that. I'll correct it maybe later. Mukhamandane. Mukhamandana is makeup. Mukhamandana is Mukha is face. Mandana is the Mukham is which is decorated. Mukhamandane. Mukhamandane Veshyaha. Similarly, Veshyaha also Ramyaha. Veshyaha means prostitutes. They are also Ramyaha. So Ramyaha can go with Veshyaha also. Ramyaha can go with Parvataha. Ramyaha can go with Veshyaha. So one word Ramyaha that is equivalent to the Kriyapadam. We will see that later. It is from the Ram Dhatu. Kritanta is added. Krit Pratyaya is added. It's a Kritanta. So it can go with Pullinga as well as with Srilinga. So it can brought down for Veshyaha also. Veshyaha Ramyaha. Bhagavachanam. Mukhamandane. When they are decorated. Mukhamandane Sati. Mukhamandane Sati. When they are decorated, you have to supply. Mukhamandane Sati. Veshyaha. Api. Cha is Api. Ramyaha. They also, Veshyaha prostitutes also look beautiful. Durastaha Parvataha Ramyaha. That is one sentence. Veshyaha Api. Mukhamandane Veshyaha Api Ramyaha. Second sentence. Similarly, another one. Yuddhasya tu Katharamya. Katharamya. Katha is Srilinga, therefore Ramya. Not Ramyaha. Okay, Visarga is not there. If it is Visarga, is there, what will happen? If you join with the following word, what would be?
Kataha Ramyaha.
No. Ramyaha, suppose if it is, okay, Kataha Ramya is fine, good. Kataha Ramya is one thing. Yes, Kataha Ramya. It must be Kataha Ramya, not Kata Ramya. It's good. It's a good observation. Another one, Ramyaha suppose if you do Sandhi with the following word, it becomes Ramyas Trini, right? Ramyas Trini. Sakara would have come. Anyway,
Yeah.
Kataha Ramyaha, that answer is very good. That is fine. So, therefore, Kata is story. Kasya Kata, Yuddhasya Kata, the story of the war. Ramya, it's nice. Yuddhasya tu Kata Ramya. Listening to the story of the Yuddha. Kata means story. The story is that which you listen to, not seeing. Listening to the story of Yuddha, Mahabharata Yuddha, listening is very good, but seeing is horrible. So Yuddhasya Katatu Ramya, fine. It is nice. Trini Ramyani Durataha. All these three are Ramyani. Ramyani Apumsakalinga. Ramya is it's a Kridanta, therefore can be declined in all the genders. We will see that what Krit and all later. So these three, the three are Ramyani. They are nice only from a distance. Durataha. Not closer. Not Samipataha. Durataha. Trini Ramyani Durataha. This is the meaning of this Subhashita. Then. Okay, we will continue with the Krit, the Tuman Pratyaya, what we are seeing. Ganesh, you can do this. The last class, the last line. Oh, wife, I want you to abandon me. This is the translation. So we did that. Please note that. Next one, Ganesh. I do not
want to become a poet.
Yeah.
So here, want, ichchami, aham na ichchami.
Yes.
To become, which we have done earlier, as dhatu, bhavitum. So aham kavim bhavitum na ichchami.
Why as dhatu?
To become, to be.
Yeah, that bhudhatu itself you can use, right?
Right.
As.
Right, we can take it as bhudhatu, bhavitum.
Bhudhatu only.
As dhatu is it different? As dhatu is to be, isn't it?
As dhatu, asti. But asdhatu means there is a difference between these two dhatu. I mean,
right.
But when something becomes, then you say bhudhatu. When something is, then bhudhatu also, when asdhatu, both can be used. But here you say that you want to become something. That is why there is bhu dhatu, it is. It has the meaning of being existent, that exist. That meaning bhudhatu is used. And also when something becomes something, then also bhudhatu is used. So both meaning. Because when something becomes another thing, that continues to exist, right? The sattaya. So bhudhatu. That meaning is not for the asdhatu. That is why when we say Brahmavid Brahmaiva Bhavati. So the translation is the knower of Brahma will become Brahma, we say. But not become Brahma. If you have the vision of the Shastram, then he will not say become Brahma. Recognizes himself to be Brahma. He understands himself to be Brahma. That, and if bhudhatu is understood, then the translation we will do properly. Otherwise, because of this wrong translation, now we are not Brahma. You want to become Brahma. If you become Brahma, then you will unbecome also. That is why the translation, Swamiji, is very particular. Recognizes oneself.
You are always Brahma.
Yes, you recognize yourself to be Brahma. Siddha vastutvat. Therefore, recognize oneself to be Brahma. That's the translation. Brahmavid, Brahmaiva Bhavati. So therefore, that bhudhatu has got the two shades of meaning. Meaning is sattaya. Here is bhu. Here it is bhavitum. So, aham bhavitum na ichchami. Okay.
Kavim bhavitum na ichchami.
Kavim bhavitum. Kim bhavitum? Kavim bhavitum na ichchami. Okay. Sumati ji, next one. Just a minute.
Yeah.
I
read books to obtain happiness. Here the main Kriya Padam is read. I read, so aham patami.
Okay.
And I read books too. So aham sukham or anandam, praptum or arjitum. I wrote both, Sharanji. Pustakani patami.
Anandam praptum.
Praptum pustakani patami.
Pustakani patami. Agam pustakani patami. So karma for pat is karma for pat kriya. Patana kriya is pustakani.
Pustakani.
Karma for praptum is anandam. So two karmas are there.
We can write even arjitum also. Is it okay?
Huh?
Praptum or arjitum. Earn. We can say it like.
Arjitum is for earning money. You can say
that way.
You can say sukham arjitam. Nothing wrong with that. You got that meaning also.
Okay.
Praptum or labdum. Labdum you can use.
Okay.
Labdum. We saw that labdum.
Labdum. Yes.
Labdatu. Next one, Krishnanji.
Yes, ji. Jacob goes to the forest to find meat. Kriyapadam goes, gachati, latform. Shrigalaha gachati. Shrigalaha aranyam. Mamsam.
Shrigalaha aranyam gachati. Okay.
Aranyam gachati. Mamsam. To find this Vindati, what is the tone form? It is an asset.
To find.
Vindati is a let form, so it should be Vindatu.
To find means okay. You can use labdum also. Praptum you can use. Why vind? Same. To find means to get meat, right?
Okay.
To get meat, to find meat. I read books to find happiness. Same meaning.
Okay. Okay.
So, can we use anveshayitum?
Searching. Anveshitum. If you want to use, you can use. Anveshtum, not anveshitum. Anveshtum.
Okay.
Mamsam anveshtum. So if find is in the meaning of search, anveshtum. Vind is to obtain. Vindati, to gain.
Okay.
What is the meaning of vind? Vindati is in sixth gana. Vindati, vindataha, vindanti.
Yes, sir.
To gain. Right? That is vindati. Vind, I think labho. You can check the meaning. Maybe labho. Okay. If it is, you have to check the dhatu. It is vind or vidhi.
So it says vidru, labe with ubhayapati to get or find.
Yeah.
Muchadi.
Yeah. Dhatu is vind. Okay. Vind.
Yeah, it's with the labe. So yeah. Okay. Maybe labdum it can also be used.
Labdum you can use. Vind dhatu, why can't we use? You can use vind also. Let me check the form. Vind becomes vind.
It's asset. Sorry.
Huh?
It's not said, so.
It's not said also. Okay, let me check that form. Vind. Yes, vind becomes. Okay, anyway, let you know that vind. So here we can use anveshtum, search, in search of food that you can use, or labdum. Shigalaha. Mamsam labdum. Mamsam labdum. Aranyam gachati. Okay. So next one. Sundarji.
I want to think only of God. I want, is aham ichchami, to think only of God. Aham Ishwaram eva sochitum ichchami.
Sorry, please tell again.
Aham Ishwaram eva sochitum ichchami.
Aham ichchami. Okay.
Aham ichchami.
Kim ichchami. Think.
Sochitum.
Sochitum. What is Sochitum?
No.
How do you get the
No.
word Sochitum? Sochitum, not there. Think
No.
is Chintayitum.
Chintayitum. Ishwaram eva chintayitum.
Ishwaram Chintayitum eva ichchami, you can say.
Oh.
Ishwaram
Chintayitum.
or Mantum. You can say Mantum Chintayitum ichchami.
Can you use Smartum, Sharanji?
Huh?
Smartum?
Yes, Smartum. Ishwaram eva Smartum ichchami. You can say yes, Smartum. Smartum means remember. Think or remember, it's okay. Both are Smartum. This is because Tuman we have to use, therefore. Otherwise, we can always say, Aham Ishvara Chintanam eva ichchami. Making it here, yes, Samasa. Aham Ishvara Chintanam eva ichchami, you can say. But here we have to use Tuman, therefore. Aham Ishvaram eva Chintayitum. Only of Ishwaram eva. You can say Ishwaram eva. Ishwaram eva Chintayitum ichchami. Okay. Okay, somebody is asking one question. Kavim must be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. It is the Agam Kavim Bhavitum na ichchami. Agam Kavim Bhavitum na ichchami. Kavim is only Dvitiya Vibhakti. Why should we be in Prathama Vibhakti? Somebody asked this question. It's not Prathama Vibhakti. It is Dvitiya Vibhakti. I understand the question why you ask whether it is subjective complement. Like the examples we saw, Rama is a hero. Ramaha Viraha Bhavati, we say. There it is subjective complement. Viraha Bhavati means Rama is a hero. Rama becomes a hero means Rama becomes a hero is also translated as Ramaha Viraha Asti Viraha Bhavati. Rama is a hero. He becomes a hero. The translation is becomes a hero. Therefore, the same, I think the idea is applied here. Kavim Bhavitum. Ramaha Viram. It is from one thing to another thing. If it happens, then it is karma. Rama is a hero. Rama becomes a hero. If you see there, there is a difference. There's a difference. At the same time, there is a two. When you assume that with no difference, then the translation is different. When there is a difference, then translation also you'll see the difference. What I'm saying is Rama is a hero. Ramaha Viraha Bhavati. Rama becomes a hero. When Rama becomes a hero is equal to Rama is a hero. The same. That is what your intention is. Then Ramaha Viraha Bhavati alone. Now Rama, who was not an hero, now he becomes a hero. Then that from which he is not is becoming something. So there it is. From one thing to another thing you become. So there it is. You have to use tum and you have to use the karma only. Ramaha Kavim Bhavitum means Bhavitum, he wants to become. Not yet. Not yet, yes. Not is. Am na kavi. Idanim na kavihi. Kavim Bhavitum ichchami. To be accomplished, to be gained. Therefore, tum is used and tum will have a karma. Therefore, Kavim Bhavitum. So the usage is correct only. I hope I answered the question. Sandeepji, that's what your question is. Kavim Bhavitum ichchami, it is fine. It is correct. The confusion is because of the subjective complement. Anyway, let us continue. So 48, he wants to know the truth. Next person.
Truth. He wants to know the truth. Here Kriya Padam is Ichchati. Kaha Ichchati, Saha Ichchati. Saha Kimartam Ichchati. Not Kimartam. Saha wants to know.
Not kimartam.
So I don't know what question.
He wants to know the truth.
Kam satyam nyatum.
Kim nyat. Okay, you have to use the question when you ask kim.
Yeah, kam I said. Okay,
Kim
kam.
nyatum ichchati saha. Saha
Saha
ichchati.
saha
Ichchati.
satyam nyatum
Ichchati. That's right.
ichchati.
Kim nyatum ichchati satyam
Nyatum ichchati.
Next person. Who's the next person? Lataji.
Rama went to the Ayodhya to protect the words of his father.
1 minute before that. This vidadatu, vindati. So the form vidala labe, I think vidala labe, it is in which gana? 4th gana, I think.
Sixth.
Sixth gana. Sorry, 6th gana. Anit.
6th gana. Yeah.
6th gana. Anit. So there it will be vetum. Let's say vetum.
Oh.
Vidala labe will be with the plus tum. Then Angakarya happens, so it becomes vetum.
But there's a nakara, right? There's some uchadi dhatu.
Yeah?
So nakara will come.
Anit, and therefore other rules are there. Goes away.
Oh.
So the form is vetum only. So with
Vetum, in that case,
with
would
the
the
jnana,
Dakara
with the
become a Dakara?
one minute. With the to know, it becomes veditum. That is second gana. With becomes veditum, and with the to be, that is also there. It is with vidyate. That becomes vetum. Vetum. Okay. So with the jnane becomes veditum. With to be, that is 4th gana. That becomes vetum. This also becomes vetum only. With becomes vetum. Or another form also is there veditum. Even though it is anit, it's given. But as I said, it is a bit complicated topic. So vetum or veditum, both are there. Vetum or veditum. This is for the Tudadigana Dhatu. Anyway, yes. What's the question now, Lataji?
Would that become Vedum? That's what I was asking. It should be not tum, but Vedum, according to the rules we learned last week.
Please apply the rule and see how can it become.
Ved
plus tum.
Ved plus tum.
And this is not a just letter. Dakara, Ved, the Dakara is not a just letter, so it cannot become. What can apply is only Karicha, that is Chartvam. Chartva Vidhi only you can apply. Just Vidhi number 2. Sorry, not just Vidhi. You can just apply Karicha, that is Chartva Vidhi. Therefore, Dakara becomes Dakara, Vetum.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Rama went to the Ayodhya to protect the words of his father. Ramaha pituhu shabdan rakshayitum Ayodhya nagaram agachat.
Yes, Ramaha agachat. Ramaha agachat. Putra agachat.
Ayodhya nagaram agachat. Rakshayitum pituhu vakyan or shabdan rakshayitum Ayodhya nagaram agachat.
Okay, Ayodhya nagaram. Ayodhya or Ayodhya nagaram, both are okay. Ayodhya nagaram agachat. Pituhu.
I have written Shabdan or Vakyan. I don't know if that part is correct.
Pitu Vakyan.
Can we use Vachanam?
Yeah, Pitu Vachanam is good. Pituhu Vachanam.
Pituhu Vachanam.
Pituhu Vachanam.
Okay.
Palayitum or Rakshitum, whatever may be, Palayitum.
Is it Rakshayitum or Rakshitum only?
Rakshitum, not Rakshayitum. Pituhu Vachanam Palayitum. Pituhu Vachanam Palayitum Ayodhya Nagaram Agachat. Ramaha. Okay. The next one, Ramaji.
But Sharanji, this is Ayodhya or forest?
Actually, I thought, okay, but the sentence is right. That's right.
I was wondering whether.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Actually,
Maybe
I thought changing from the Ayodhya, anyway, we can make it forest.
Vanam.
But it's not a change, not change the story. It will be Vanam. Vanam.
I thought maybe there is some, towards the end, there is such thing. He had given a word to his father.
Yes, Rama went to the forest to protect. Yes.
We're so involved with finding the right words. I didn't even.
I thought of placing from the Ayodhya, Ayodhyataha, I thought. But anyway, I left it as it is. But anyway, you're pointed out. Okay, then next one, Ramaji.
Yeah. Guru called the boys to instruct.
Instruct means Upadesha. Okay. Instruction.
Yeah, Kriyapadam Ahvayat.
Yes, Ahvayat.
Then Guruhu Ahvayat. Upadeshtum Balan Ahvayat.
Yes. Upadeshtum
Balan Ahvayat.
Balan Ahvayat. Yes. So Upadeshtum doesn't have any karma here. Upadeshtum Guruhu Upadeshtum Agvayat. Kan Agvayat Balan.
Balana.
So these are the, this is how the tum pratyaya is used. So now you know tum, how to use many words we have seen, and certain words you need to know by usage only. Okay. So here the table, many more words, I will add it later. I sent you this the last week.
Yes, sure.
So this is about tum. So tum is used when two kriyas happen. When two kriyas happen, the kriya which is going to be accomplished, or which is intended to be accomplished, that will take tum. Right? Uddesha kriya vachaka dhatoh tum pratyaya bhavati.
Sharanji, may I ask a question regarding what we are doing with this?
Yes.
You have given us a shabda gau plus tumun is gatum. How did that? Is that one of those exceptions, or is that how it is?
Not gau plus tum.
Gau plus tumun.
Gai plus tum.
Oh, gai plus tumun. Okay, gai plus tumun. Gatum.
Yes.
I'm trying to figure out how that became gatum. What rule?
That's the rule is agent.
Oh, it's just
yes.
It's just something to remember.
Yes. Agent dhatu when followed by pratyaya, which doesn't have shit. It is not a shit. It doesn't begin with the shit pratyaya. That will be replaced by a. So I is replaced by a. That's all the rule is.
Okay.
Dhyaya also becomes dhyatum. Mlai becomes latum. Glai becomes glatum. All this agent dhatu. Agent dhatu is a, I, o, au. They will be replaced by a. By that rule, it becomes dhatum.
Okay.
So now this tuman pratyaya is done. Tuman pratyaya, and we have seen a lot of examples. Now the next one is twa pratyaya. In the list of these three pratyayas which we are dealing with first in among the krit, these three pratyayas results in the getting an avyaya. The three pratyayas are added to the dhatus, and what you get is in avyayam. So tuman we have seen. Next one is twa pratyaya. It is twa, that is kakara, first letter, takara, then vakara plus a. So what pratyaya is that? It's the kit pratyaya. So will it cause guna?
No.
No.
Being adhyataka pratyaya and the kit, therefore it negates angakarya. So therefore guna cannot happen. Now when do we use this tva pratyaya? That we will see. When do we use tva pratyaya? So you can see here, tva is, the content is after removing the ith letter, tva only. Being kit pratyaya, therefore it negates, guna is negated. Okay, so the content is tva pratyaya. Ardha dhatuka pratyaya. Remember this, important. So now dhatu plus tva. Dhatu plus tva being a krit pratyaya. So what you get is a kridantam, and the resulting kridantam is an avyayam, indeclinable. The resulting kridantam is avyayam, like kumun. It's an indeclinable. Now, when do you use tva? You can see an example is given here. Rama eats, then Rama goes. So here also you can see two actions are there. Eats and then he goes. Eats, pratama kriya, and paschat gacchati, goes. So kriya, eats kriya followed by gamana kriya, kadana kriya followed by gamana kriya. So now English translation, Ramaha kadati, Ramaha gacchati. The saha refers to Rama only. Same person. Samana karta, that is important. Okay, not some Ramaha kadati, Krishna gacchati, then you cannot add this. You cannot join the two sentences. Here the karta is same. Ramaha kadati, Ramaha gacchati. What does he do first? He eats first and then he goes. So Ramaha kadati, Ramaha gacchati. Now if you want to join, then in English how do you do? Having eaten. After eating, Rama goes. Rama eats and he goes. So in English you will join this having eaten, Rama goes. After eating, Rama goes. The same thing in Sanskritam also. So here the kriya, what is the first kriya? In English you can see having eaten, that the first kriya eaten becomes eaten, eat becomes eaten. Eat becomes eaten. The same thing in Sanskritam also. So among these two kriyas, the first kriya is accomplished first and then the second kriya is taken up. So the first kriya will take tva pratyaya. The first kriya will take tva pratyaya. Now you can see how tva pratyaya is added. Kad means to eat, the dhatu, and the tva pratyaya or the dhatu kit pratyaya added. Kad plus tva being a set dhatu. You can note this tva pratyaya begins with takara, which is a val. So valadi. Therefore it can take itagama. So itagama e comes. This e is itagama. This e is itagama. So kad is set dhatu. It takes itagama. So therefore what happens? Kad plus itva becomes kaditva. Kaditva means having eaten, after eating. Kaditva. Kaha kaditva? Ramaha kaditva. Ramaha kaditva gacchati. So that will be the sentence. And kaditva we can have karma. Rotikam kaditva, annam kaditva, bhojanam kaditva. Like tuman it can take karma. That kad can take karma. If it is a sakarmaka dhatu. Sakarmaka means if it is a transitive verb, it can take karma. Ramaha rotikam kaditva gacchati. Can you add tva to gam dhatu? No, you cannot add. Therefore, to the pratama kriya only tva pratyaya is added. Whereas tum is added to the kriya which is going to be accomplished. So that's the difference between tva and tum. Can you follow this? Can you follow this?
Yes, Sharanji.
Tva and tum. Yeah.
The last point I kind of missed it. Kindly.
That is tum pratyaya. See, what is the difference between tum and twa? I was saying in tum pratyaya as well as in twa pratyaya, two kriyas are there.
Yes.
In tum pratyaya, the action which is going to be accomplished, to that only tum pratyaya is added. Whereas here, the action already done. To that you add twa pratyaya.
Yeah.
That's the difference. Okay. So Ramaha rotikam kaditva gacchati. After or having eaten the roti, he goes. So here, like Tuman also, here we have two kriya. But there are two, the pratama kriya, the first action, which is done first, and then only the next action. The first action followed by the next action, the future action, or the action which is being done. The first action will take twa pratyaya. The properties of twa you need to know. It is a ardhatuka pratyaya, it is a kit pratyaya. Therefore, it negates guna. Where tuman is not a kit, therefore it can cause angakarya. And tuman and twa both begins with takara. Takara is a val letter, right? Valadi, therefore it can take itagama. It can take itagama. Therefore, kad becomes kaditva. And tum, if you add tum, it becomes khaditum. Okay. The same sentence. Suppose if you want to add tum, how do you do it? You want to add tum. How will be the sentence?
Gantum khadati.
Huh?
Ramaha gantum khadati.
Ramaha gantum.
Aditum gacchati.
You have to change the sentence. Ramaha kaditum gacchati. Yes. Ramaha gacchati. Kaditum. You have to change the kriya. You have to swap the kriya first, the position. Ramaha kaditum gacchati. Yes.
Rama goes to eat, right?
Yes.
It will
Rama
be like
goes
that.
to eat. When you use tum, the kriya changes the position. Ramaha bhojanalayam gacchati. Kimartam kaditum gacchati. Suppose he has eaten the food in the dining hall and then he goes. Kaditva gacchati Ramaha. Ramaha bhojanalayam kaditum gacchati. Bhojanalayam gatva kadati. Kaditva agacchati. Understand? So you can see how it is used. So twa pratyaya is added to the pratama kriya. Just distinguish with the tum pratyaya and see the difference. I will give more examples. We can see the derivation of twa. Like tuman only. If you know the tuman form, twa also is simpler. Just be familiar with the forms. We'll be using it. Pat becomes patitva. Itagama comes pat dhatu, pat plus twa, patitva. The translation would be having read or after reading. Having read or after reading. This one we will see later. Don't worry now. The next one, sta plus twa. Sta plus twa becomes stitva. Sta plus twa, stitva. What is sta plus tum?
Itum.
No. Sta plus tum. Akaranta.
Statum.
Statum.
Atma.
Sta plus tum is statum. Just familiar with the form. When you keep using it, you will. The rules and all we'll see later. The rules all will come together when we see other topic. Gam plus tum becomes
Gantum.
gantum. Here gam plus twa will become gatva. The makara is dropped. The makara is dropped. Nam plus twa becomes natva. Natva jnana pradam gurum. Nam plus twa natva. Similarly, the next one. Drish plus twa will become
Drishtva.
Drishtva. Here you can see Sandhi happens. Ayadi Sandhi. And before that, what happened to Shakara?
Murdhanya Shakara.
More than it's been replaced by more
By
than
what
Shakara.
rule? By what rule?
Shakara and Shakara.
That brascha,
Yes.
then dhatu ending with shakara and shakara.
Yes. The shakaranta dhatu, when followed by jal or at the end of the padam, will be replaced by murdanya shakara.
Shakara.
So this is also one way. It is a shatvam only. Okay, two shatvams are there. What is the first shatvam? We have seen first. That's why first shatvam. What is the shatvam?
Shashchoti?
No. Shatvam, not chatvam.
Oh,
Shatvam. Murdanya. Shatvam. Remember this shatvam. This is also shatvam. This is a second shatvam, but one first shatvam we have seen. Where does it happen? How does it happen?
Prashtum,
Huh?
Prashtum, etc.
No. That is Adesha or Pratyaya Sakara. Adesha or Pratyaya Sakara, when preceded by in or ku, will become Murdhanya Shakara. Remember? Shatvam, we saw this. How Sakara becomes Shakara? Like what example I gave? Karoshi? No, some other examples. Yes, Rameshu. Between Rameshu and Ramasu, what is the difference? Rama Shabda. Saptami Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Rameshu. Why it is Shu? And the Ramasu. Why it is Ramasu? Why does it happen Shatvam? You remember Shatva Vidhi? I think you have forgotten Shatva. Okay, let me remind you. That is first Shatvam. Let me take that just a minute. Where it is. That is in the documents. Shatvam. Let me check that where it is. This in Sandhi file, I think. Yes, it is in Sandhi file. You can see. Do you see in the screen? Shatvam. Apadanta Sakara, when preceded by in or ku, will be replaced by Murdhanya Shakara. Apadanta Sakara preceded by in. What is in? Ivurulu, that Ivurulu up to Lund. Or ku, Kavarga letters. Then Apadanta Sakara will be replaced. But Sakara could be a Pratyaya Sakara or Adesha Sakara. It is Apadanta Sakara. Even when intervened by any one of this, Num, Visarga or Shar, even if it is intervened by any one, then any one, only one, not more than one, then Shatvam will happen. So example, we have seen this. Vayu plus Su. Su is Saptami Bhakti Ekavach. That is the example I gave also. Rama plus Su becomes Rameshu. Rame plus Su becomes Rameshu. Vayu plus Su, Vayushu. Kartru plus Su, Kartrushu. Sakara is Apadanta Sakara. Yes, Su is a Sakara plus U. So Sakara, Apadanta Sakara, preceded by the letter U. U is in letter. Therefore, Sakara becomes Murdhanya Shakara. Do you remember this rule?
No,
No,
Okay.
Sharanji,
No, Sharanji.
I don't think we have.
I think we did it. Yeah.
We did it. I remember this comes under consonant. I mean, not consonant sandhi, but we covered this, not? Okay. Then what about Nattum and all? You've not seen this?
We saw.
Saw Natvam we saw, I think.
Yeah, then Shattum also. We definitely would have seen because this is in the consonants and the file. Previous one. For the file, I'll do all these and the gesture with the everything is there in this file. Old one. Anyway, I think you just check in which class I took, I don't know. But Shattum, Sattum, you remember? Shattum, Sattum. Dhatu, that is in the
I
Aupadeshika
don't think
Dhatu.
we did any
Yeah,
of
this-
No,
these.
this we didn't do, Sharanji. Satvam, I know.
Yeah, that
No,
one
we
was.
are not done.
I don't think we did any
I'm
of
sorry, I am not aware of. I missed the class.
Natvam, I remember
No,
Natvam.
no.
This we
Natvam,
saw
you,
already.
yes, Natvam, we did some examples also.
Natvam we did, not these two.
Natvam also, I think we did it as examples. I don't think we,
Yeah, we did. We took some examples and did Natvam.
yeah, but I don't think we covered it as a rule.
Okay. You can note this. This is the first Shattum. This is first Shattum, that is second Shattum. So this, okay, because we have taken up this, let me explain this. When does this Shattum happens? It happens to Sakara. Okay. It happens to Sakara. But Apadanta Sakara. Maybe it is also, I will insert that in the chart, Sandhi chart. It is not there. This will not be there. I can insert. Or maybe there also. You can check the Sandhi chart also. Maybe there. Okay, anyway, you can see this. Shattam only I will explain. Other things we will see later. Because I already said Shattam 1, Shattam 2. So let me explain this. This is Shattam, number 1. That is Apadanta Sakara. When preceded by in, what are the in letters? E, U, R, L, A, O, I, O, Ha, Ya, Va, Ra, and La. These are the letters covered by in Pratyahara. Then Ku is the Kavarga letters. So a Sakara, that Sakara could be an Adesha Sakara or Pratyaya Sakara. Can you give some example for Pratyaya Sakara? Tiptas G, Siptas Ta, Mip Vasmas. All those Sakaras are Pratyaya Sakara. Mas, Vas, Tas, all this. Similarly in Subanta, Su, Aujas, Su, that is Sakara, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachana Pratyaya Sakara, and Jas, Shas. Similarly, Saptami Vibhakti, Su, all those are example for Adesha Sakara. Sorry, Pratyaya Sakara. For Pratyaya Sakara. Okay. Adesha Sakara also, you know. Anyway, I don't want to go into Adesha Sakara. That goes to Sattvam. But anyway, that we will see later. So, that's Sakara is, Apadanta Sakara is maybe an Adesha Sakara or it could be a Pratyaya Sakara. Adesha Sakara means Sakara is the Adesha. As it's come in the form of an Adesha, therefore Adesha Sakara. Pratyaya Sakara means Sakara as part of the Pratyaya. That's called Pratyaya Sakara. And the Sakara is not a Padanta Sakara. If it is Padanta Sakara, what will happen? Like Vas, Mas.
Room will happen.
Yeah, it
Then
will become
Visarga.
Visarga.
Visarga will
Visarga
happen.
will be, yeah.
That is why Apadanta Sakara. Na Padanta is there. Okay. I said Vas, Mas example only for the Pratyaya Sakara, but not the example for this. Okay, you need to understand. Here Apadanta Sakara we say. So Apadanta Sakara, therefore it doesn't cover Vas and all. It's a Sakara, it's a Pratyaya Sakara. So here we are talking about Apadanta Sakara. Okay, anyway. Apadanta Sakara preceded by in or ku will be replaced by Murdhanya. When does it happen? When preceded by in or ku. That is, Sakara will be replaced by Murdhanya Sakara. That is called Shatvam. Shatvam, the name denotes the Adesha. The Adesha is Shakara. Shakara in the place of Sakara. When does it happen? When preceded by in or ku. The letters in or ku. Now, we say further, even when intervened by, even if there is, if in or ku doesn't proceed immediately, even if it is intervened by num is a num agama, or visarga, or shar letter. Shar is shar, sa. Any one of them. Any one only allowed, not more than one. If more than one comes, then shatvam will not happen. Even when intervened by any one of nun, visarga, or shar, shatvam will happen. If more than one letters intervene, then shatvam will not happen. Okay. Now, sakara, as I said, it will be a adesha sakara and pratyaya sakara. Now, you are giving an example for the pratyaya sakara. Here, so is it a padanta sakara? Sakara here or a padanta? You can tell me, padanta or a padanta?
Padanta.
Here, sakara first, followed by u. Okay. So, sakara is not at the end of the padam. Therefore, apadanta sakara. So, apadanta sakara preceded by the letter u. U is a in letter. Therefore, the sakara becomes shakara. Therefore, you get vayushu. Similarly, rameshu, harishu. Hari plus su, harishu. Then kartru plus su. Apadanta sakara preceded by the letter r. R is in letter. Therefore, kartrushu. We get kartrushu. We can add harishu. Hari plus su becomes harishu. This is called shatvam. So, in Sanskritam, I've written something, can see. Sangitayam in kurvabhyam uttarasya padandasya adeshaha yakara yaha adeshaha yaha sakaraha pratyasya cha yaha sakaraha tasya murdanyadeshaha shakaraha bhavati iti. Whatever I said, the same thing is written in Sanskritam. So, the sakara will become shakara. Sakara will undergo shatvam. Shakara will undergo shatvam when, which comes after in or kavarga letters and not at the end of the padam, that is apadanta. Sakara must not be at the end of the padam. Or the sakara, not or, the sakara should be belonging to a pratyaya or adesha and should even when intervened by any one of this, num, visarga or shar letters, then shatvam will happen. These are the conditions for shatvam to happen. For shatvam to happen, the important condition is the sakara must not be a padanta sakara, number one. And sakara could be a part of pratyaya or adesha. Should preceded by in or ku letters, kavarga letters. And in case if any letters intervene, what are the allowable letters? Num, visarga or shar. These are the allowable letters. And that too only one, not more than one. Then only shatvam happens. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sharanji.
Now let me ask this Rama plus sa. That is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya. Okay. That soon is there. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam 1-1. Here. What's that? Here shatvam will happen or not?
No,
No.
it won't happen.
Padanta
Okay.
sakara.
Padanta sakara ruled out.
Sakara.
Padanta
It's,
sakara therefore ruled out. Yes. Similarly, another example. Rama plus Su. All these are counter examples. Vitireka udaharanam. Okay. Rama plus Su. Will happen or not?
No, because
Why?
it's Rama is not in letter. It's not ending with a
Not Rama.
letter.
You say A is there.
Eyes.
Rama ending with Akara. Akara is not an in letter. Therefore, will not happen. Therefore, you get Ramasu only. Not Ramashu. Here it is Padanta Sakara. Therefore, Ramaha. That it doesn't happen. You understand this, Shatvam?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe this, I will send you this, copy and paste and send you. Okay. After the class. Now, this is Shatvam number 1. I thought we discussed this. Maybe in some places we would have discussed, definitely. The Shatvam, when does it happen?
I only remember the Natvam. I don't remember Shatvam at all.
We have seen this. Anyway, okay, fine. Now, here, coming back to the top pratyaya. Here I said it is another Shatvam. That is by the rule. Dhatu, that is Shakaranta Dhatu, at the end of the Padam are followed by Jal, will be replaced by Murdhanya Shakara. You remember the rule? I sent the rule, miscellaneous rule number 2. Brascha, Srija, Mrija, Raja, Braja, these dhatus. And also dhatu ending with Shakara, right? Or Talavi Shakara, like this Shakara, Drish Shakara, will be replaced by Murdhanya Shakara. When they are at the end of the Padam or followed by Jal. Here, Jal letter follows. Twa is Takara. Takara is a Jal letter. Therefore, Shakara becomes Murdhanya Shakara. So, Drish becomes Drish. Like we have seen this in Tum. In Tum, it becomes Drashtum. That is different. Drashtum, Dra becomes, that is a different thing. I just told that time, you just remember the form. Drish becomes Drashtum, not Drishtum. Okay, so Shakara happens. That is common. So Drish plus Twa becomes Drishtva. Drishtva tu Pandava Nikam. Yudham Duryodhanastada. Drishtva, having seen Pandava Nikam, Pandavanam Anikam Drishtva. You have seen that in Gita. So Drishtva, you get the form Drishtva. So here that Shatvam happens. So we can have Shatvam number 1, Shatvam number 2. I said that was Shatvam number 1 because I thought that was that we learned first and we are learning this second. But you say we have not seen that. Therefore, now we have to reverse that Shatvam number 1 and 2. Okay. And also, we can say this is the first Shatvam because the rule comes first in the sequence of rules. This rule comes first. And that Murdhanya Shakara Adesha in the place of Pratyaya Sakara or Adesha Sakara, that comes later, 8359. Therefore, we can call it as Shatvam number 2. Okay, I'm just changing the order because based on the rule number, the sutra numbers. Can you all follow me? What I say?
Yes,
Yes, Charanji.
Yes, Charanji.
That Pratyaya Sakara, Adesha Sakara becoming Shakara, it is 8359. Don't worry, I will include in the chart and then send you that. That is 8.3, 8th chapter, 3rd section. Whereas this rule, what we saw, what's the number? Number I have given.
8 to 36.
8 to 30. It comes first. Therefore, let us call it as Shattam number 1. If it is Shattam number 1, then I need not have taught Shattam number 2 now. But I thought we have taught. I taught you. Anyway. So this is Shattam number 1. That is Shattam number 2. So Shattam means 2 Shattams are there. You can remember. Shakara, Adesha happens at 2 places. Anyway. Now continue. Let us continue. So you know how the form Drishtva comes. Right? So Drish plus Tva is Drishtva. Bhu plus Tva, Bhutva only. Bhu plus Tva is Bhutva, not Bhavitva. Bhu plus Tum is, why Bhu plus Tva is Bhutva? Why not Bhavitva? Anybody?
Guna doesn't happen.
Guna,
Yeah, Angakarya, yeah.
Guna
Yes,
doesn't
not
happen.
happen.
Therefore, Bhutva. Yes. Sometimes this doubt comes because you don't see the ith letter here. Yes, Tva is a white. Guna doesn't happen. You have to remember, it is Tva. Even though Kakara is not there. But it is, understand, it is Tva Pratyaya. Kakara, you don't see it, but it is Kittu only, right? So, Bhu plus Tva is Bhutva only, not Bhavitva. This doubt definitely will come. Later when you see, you will see, we'll ask, why the Guna doesn't happen? It is kit. Krit plus tva becomes kritva, having done kritva. As plus tva. Here you can see as plus tva, the same rule. As dhatu, that is second gana, asti stha santi, that as dhatu. Tva pratyaya follows. Though as will be replaced by bhu. As will be replaced by bhu. The same thing is in tumun. As plus tum, what will happen? As plus bhavittum, the same. What is the meaning of as? Satayam, to be. Asdhatu, which is in second gana. One more asdhatu is there, which means to throw, which is in the fourth gana. What is the meaning of that dhatu? I mean, the meaning is to throw. I already said. What is the form of that dhatu? As plus tum. If you're adding tum or asyati, tum, when you add, what will be the form?
Asitum.
Asitu.
So please remember the difference between two forms. I mean, two different things. Both are different. One is asdhatu becoming bhavitum if asdhatu belongs to second gana, meaning as means sataya, and the same form is there in the fourth gana, where it means to throw. Kshepane, as is sataya, which is in the second gana, and as it is fourth gana, kshepane, to throw, there it will become asitum. So note the difference between these two. Even though the forms of the dhatu are same, the meanings are different and they are in different ganas, therefore form will be different. So bhavitam is derived from asdhatu, second gana, meaning to be satayam, and asitum is derived from the fourth gana dhatu, as, which means kshepane, to throw. So here now, which dhatu is it as, which has become bhutva?
First gana.
First gana.
Second.
Sorry, it means second gana.
Second gana.
Yeah, first one, second gana. Yes, second gana dhatu. As plus tva becomes bhutva. Okay. Fine. Then you need to note this. This is we have seen it. This in tumun section. Asitum we have seen. So remember that. Khru plus tva will become khrutva. So like that, many forms are there. The next class we will do some exercise on this. So we will see some more forms and then we'll do some exercises and translations. Tva. After tva, we will see lyap. There is no difference between tva and lyap. That also we will see. We will see in the next class. So the summary is tva pratyaya ardhadhataka pratyaya valadi ardhadhataka pratyaya. It is a kit. Therefore, it negates angakarya. That is number one. And tva pratyaya, the pratama kriya will take tva pratyaya, the first action, because that is done first. The action which is done first will take tva pratyaya, followed by another action. That action, either it could be a thing or it could be a kriyanta, whatever it may be. So the first action will take tva pratyaya. These are the things you need to remember. The forms you will be familiar. Slowly you will get familiar. And the derivation of the forms, that will come later when you see more and more rules. Okay. So now if you have any doubts, you can ask.
Tva pratyaya for asdhatu, fourth gana, what is the form, Sharanji?
For this as plus tva becomes the same only, asta only. Or it could be itagama, it can take asitva.
Asitva.
Having thrown, not astva, having, I think it's a said dhatu, asitva, having thrown. Okay. Any doubts? Please tell me any doubts you have. No doubts?
No, Sharan.
No, Sharan.
Am I going at a faster pace or is the pace okay?
It's fine, Sharanji.
It's okay.
I think it's okay.
It's okay.
I think it's okay.
Is it too slow then?
No, I don't think so.
No.
If it
Correct.
is too slow, I'll go fast. If it is too fast,
No,
then
no,
I'll slow.
not slow.
No.
And I think it's really helpful that we do so many exercises. Otherwise, they just go over the head.
Exercise you can do. And what we learned in the class, you go through that file again.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will not stay. And you please maintain a notebook. You have to write it also.
Yes,
Notes, what I
keep
said is one
writing
thing,
it.
but you have to write it also. Then only it will stay.
Yeah, we are taking proper notes.
Yeah, I'm taking notes.
If you have
but
proper
sometimes-
notes, very good notes, soft notes, you can give it to me. I will compile it in the useful form.
Sometimes I can't even understand my own notes, but I take notes.
Okay, so we stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawada, Sharanji.
Dhanyavad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.